Hi guys, hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can save your Google Doc into a Microsoft Word document or a PDF document sometime while submitting your work at work or to clients outside of your workplace or to the college professors or your school teachers. They may require you to turn in your stuff in Word document format rather than Google Doc format. So first of all, we will click New and we will start with a Google Doc. And this Google Doc currently has nothing in it. I have already extracted some text which I will paste here. So once the text gets pasted, this is how I will save the document. You see over here untitled document, you click here, and this is where you can type the name of your file. So I'm calling this Google News. As soon as you press enter, this will be the name of the document. Now whenever you are done working with this document, all you need to do is hit File, Download, and then you can choose a format. So if you want to save it as a PDF document, you choose PDF format. If you want to save it as a Microsoft Word document, you choose Doc format, so Microsoft Word format. So the moment you click here, it will pretty much download it to your local computer in that format. Similarly, if you want to download it as a PDF, it does exactly the same thing. Once it is downloaded, it goes into the downloads folder on your local computer. From there, you can attach it to an email or transfer it to a USB, however you want to do it. So this is how you can save your Google Doc in a Word or a PDF format. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.